Yo, what's up, everybody? I hope you can hear me all right. We are out on the Hawk X. Just taking a little cruise, not too much of a cruise. It's cold and it looks like it's going to rain. I hope it don't rain. But weather doesn't say it's going to rain, but that always seems to be the time it rains, so we'll see. But yeah, we got 701 millimeters on the bike now. I haven't done anything but tightened up the chain. She's still purring. Like high 50s, low 60s today. Yesterday it was in the 80s. It feels kind of good, but like it'd feel better if I would have wore a bigger jacket and had gloves on, but that's all right. We'll prepare for the future winter months. If you go back and see, I rode the scooter all those months, so best bet I'm gonna be riding the bike. But yeah, just out for a little cruise. We're just going to go up and around, and I'm going to stop and get food for the wife and I and head home. Gas tank likes to jump around. I think that's normal on these. If you're not full, it's going to jump around. You kind of got to stop to figure out exactly where you're at. I'd say I got about half a tank going on right now, but yeah, that sky's looking dark, boys. I've been having a huge problem with people parking in the single parking spot I use for both a car and a motorcycle every damn day. So this time what I did is I left my motorcycle cover there and I put something over it. So it kind of looks like, hey, the spot's still being used, so hopefully the fucking dickhead next door doesn't have one of his million friends parked there. Yeah, I gotta say, the X isn't the most difficult thing to get started whenever it's a little cooler. I guess we'll see in real winter time, but being as cool as it is today, all I had to do is choke it, warmed up in about, 5 minutes. Right after the choke, and I get it started with the choke, I turn off the choke and then just rev it for a second and then just let it sit for a while. And yeah, she's running fine. I really don't see how anybody complains about these bikes. It's a dirt bike, man. It feels like a dirt bike. I feel the rain. Yeah, that's drops of rain. Yeah, well, we're going to turn her around. We're going to take a little longer route. If I get wet, that's okay. It'll be for the content, right? I mean, I'll regret it whenever I'm cold, but that's okay. See, the damn weather, man, always says there ain't no rain today. Just cloudy. You can't trust that. I even looked at the radar though, and it didn't look like there would be much rain, if any rain. So I mean, I guess that's why we're just getting sprinkles. But so we're gonna take a left here and wrap back around. This road's pretty fun. love that backfiring. I bet you if I got a nicer exhaust, we'd hear that a lot more. I might just do that. Hear all my massive amount of keys bouncing around. I just don't like separating them. I have a hard time keeping up with them already. So we're going to one of my favorite spots, good old Arby's.
I do apologize that I'm waiting on my tech support to fix my drive-thru register. If you wouldn't mind to come inside, we can take your order in here.
Hey, sweet, no worries. We gotta go in, but that's all right. We gotta go in. Let me get my key out. Damn, there we go. All right, helmet. Don't go nowhere. Add a little beeper I got on there. It's set underneath there, but it's a beep beep beep. Cool. See if there was a door on the side. What's up, dude? How are you doing today?
Good. How are you doing?
Oh, hanging out, man. Try not to get wet out on the bike. So.
Oh, you got the. Oh, you remember me?
Yeah. I came through on the bike. I was going to do it again today, but I guess y'all drive-through messed it up. So.
Yeah, it is. It's messed up.
Damn, dude.
No.
Thank you, brother. Take care now. See how that alarm works. There we go. All right. Food secured. It's in the basket. This is a truck stop if y'all couldn't tell. I'm sure you can tell though. Yeah, guys, nothing, nothing too crazy today. Just cruising around, gonna get food. Now we're heading home. Because like I said, it's cold and it might rain. If it wasn't gonna rain, I'd get out and ride a little bit longer, but I just don't trust the weatherman anymore. I never did, but especially nowadays. New splash park and all that they just put in. Looks nice. A lot of wealthy people moving in to West Virginia, and we're kind of having to switch away from, you know, like coal and stuff like that to tourism, which kind of sucks, but also it's kind of cool. I like seeing things get a lot nicer around here. Thanks for watching. My name's Soap. You're watching Careless Kingdom. If you like the content, like, comment, sub, all that good stuff. But other than that, peace for now.